Welcome back. This is lesson 2 in unit 4. This lesson is called Countries and Continents. Countries and continents. Now, before I will start, you need to revise what we have learned in the previous lesson. We know that Earth is made of two parts, water and land. The land, we have 7 pieces, large pieces of land. We call these 7 large pieces of land continents. Now, we have to learn that each continent has many, many smaller places which we call countries. Like here we have a continent of Europe. Europe is one of the continents, and look at these places. These places are countries. People live in these countries. Here is Spain, here is France, Germany, Italy, and many, many others. So each continent has many places called countries. People live in different countries. This is a continent of Asia. Also, Asia is made of many different countries. Each country, different people live in different country. So, Asia is also made of many different countries. People live in countries such as Saudi Arabia and Libya and also Sudan and many other countries. Here is an example. This is a continent of Africa, and on the continent of Africa you can find these different countries. For example, Sudan, Egypt, Libya, and many others. Here we have a map of the whole world with all of the 7 continents. Can you see? People live in different countries on each continent. Each continent has many different countries. See, this is continent called North America. People live in there, like Mexican people live in there. This is South America. This is Africa. This is Europe. You can see people living in Europe. This is Asia. Saudi Arabia is right here in Asia. So everywhere around the world, people live on different continents in different countries. Each continent has different countries. We live in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a big country. Saudi Arabia is an Arab country. What does it mean? An Arab country, it's a country where people speak Arabic language. Once again, in which country do we live? We live in Saudi Arabia, and Saudi Arabia is an Arab country. Do you know what it means? It means that people in Saudi Arabia speak Arabic language. We have more Arab countries around the world, actually on 2 continents. We have different Arab countries like Libya, Sudan, Egypt, Lebanon. All of these are called Arab countries because people in those countries speak one common language, and that is Arabic language, right? Now, all Arab countries are found on 2 continents. 2 continents only. They are found in Africa and they are found in Asia. On 2 continents. Arab countries are found here and here. Not in Europe, not in America, not in Australia. On 2 continents only. In Africa and Asia. So, will you remember on which 2 continents we can find Arab countries? Africa and Asia. Saudi Arabia is not the only Arab country. We have more Arab countries. We have Jordan, Lebanon, Syria, Palestine, Egypt, Yemen, all of these countries are countries which we call Arab countries. Why do we call them Arab countries? Because people in those countries speak Arabic language like you do. So, Saudi Arabia and all of these countries are Arab countries because they speak Arabic language. Do you remember on which two continents we can find all Arab countries? On two continents, Asia and Africa. Again, on which two continents we can find all Arab countries? On the continents of Asia and Africa. Let's revise again. All of the continents are made of smaller parts called countries. People live in different countries on different continents. Each continent has many different countries. Like this is Africa. It has many different countries, and this is part of Asia, where we have also many different countries. Okay, if you understand this lesson, let's solve the questions on page 98. Use the words in the box to fill in the blanks. We have the word Africa, countries, Asia, and Arab. Africa, countries, Asia, and Arab. Question number 1. All Arab countries are found in and two missing words. Now, all Arab countries, we have many Arab countries. They can be found on two continents. Do you remember which two continents? You have the choices right up here. All Arab countries are found in two continents. One is Africa and the other one is Asia. Write the answer here. All Arab countries are found in Africa and Asia. Now, Saudi Arabia is an country. Saudi Arabia is one of these countries because people speak Arabic language in there. What kind of country is Saudi Arabia? Country or Arab country? An Arab country. Well, very good. If you guessed it, that's the correct answer. Saudi Arabia is an Arab country because people in Saudi Arabia speak Arabic language. And last question, Saudi Arabia, Libya, and Sudan are all Arab what? What is left is the word countries. They are all countries where people live. So, Saudi Arabia, Libya, and Sudan are all Arab countries. Good job. Have a good day. Bye.